I'm just finishing, but you're an adult, you have to do this because it's dangerous, you know. I don't have my cutter, so I'm going to cut like this. Okay, then you have the beak of the parrot. Sorry. And voila, you got it. The beak of the parrot. Okay guys, this time for the parrot, I have chosen the conditioner, you know, I have cut the conditioner, you know, reduce, reuse, and recycle. And this time I have chosen, you know, this spray container. This is going to be the head of the parrot, the beak, and the body. Okay, guys, you can choose a bottle, of course. I have found this one, so you can use this one, but I have taken off the, you know, the cup and leave it.
We need to call the husks.
Hello.
Hello.